going to show you guys how to spot Bondo in a car today. We're working on an old BMW here. It's it's got some spots, whatever, but it's not too bad. But what you want to do is you want to start knocking. Oh, yep. I think that this might be the spot here. Let's just see what we can. Yep, that's gonna be half inch of Bondo, maybe all the way down the side here. So the way that you're gonna want to fix this is you're gonna want to, if you're already at this point, which I am, you're gonna want to just go ahead and cram that back in there, just like that, and you're gonna want to turn around and run the fuck that way, as fast as you can, away from this.